Every system needs a pause, not to add more, but to see clearly. This is a fill the gaps day. I'm not cooking meals. I'm not producing content for the sake of it. I'm stopping long enough to look at what we already have so I don't build on top of confusion. When food stays hidden in the freezer, it is easy to forget what exists, and forgotten food creates unnecessary work. So today, everything comes out, not to reorganize perfectly, but to count honestly. I'm not judging what's here, I'm naming it. Proteins together, vegetables together, starches together. This is how the system speaks back, not through plans, but through what's actually available. Again, I'm not judging what's here, I'm naming it. Proteins together, vegetables together, starches together. This is how the system speaks back, not through plans, but through what's actually available. Once I know what we have, everything goes back with purpose. Food that supports dinner stay accessible. Food meant for later moves back. The goal isn't a pretty freezer. The goal is a freezer that tells the truth when we open it. After inventory, gaps become obvious. This week, lunch was the gap. So I filled it once on purpose instead of scrambling every day. This chili isn't content, it's coverage. Not every decision needs to be filmed. I have one tray left. I used it. The system doesn't require documentation. It requires follow through. Fill the gap days are how this house stays light. I don't add until I look. I don't plan until I count. Next, I'll build the supports that actually matter based on what we know we need. If you're trying to make your kitchen carry more, not you, I'll see you in the next one. And as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.